In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your image to cartoon for free. Open your browser and search for Styler.ai. After login with your email, you will see this page. Click on New Project. You can choose canvas size from here. Click on Import Image. Select your image. Adjust image size accordingly. Then click on Image to Image. Choose a cartoony style. Click on Stylize. Click on Export and download image. Import again. Choose your image. Adjust image size accordingly. Then click on Image to Image. Let's try another style. Click on Stylize. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy this video.